Going into the truck with the tractor while the flooded street. Dude, this shit's cold as hell. Ugh. It's like fucking ice cubes in here. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I think I just found a fish. Look at that shit. Come on, Jordan, you can do it. Come on, you can make it out. I'm in grass. Fucking biker. And he's turning around. What the fuck is that? I don't know. Yeah, y'all find out. Yeah? I think I touched a fish.
Really? Well, we lost Timey and Dewey.
Yeah.
Boys, pick up challenge.
Why?
No, I'm pulling it back in there.